Hey guys, Brett here for Stringjoy. From Van Halen to the Police, this iconic piece of gear has been used on countless records from the 60s and 70s up through today. Whether for its preamp or for its beautiful echo, it's been a staple in the recording industry, and today we're going to talk about it, the Echoplex. So what is an Echoplex? In the simplest terms, it's literally just a tape machine that records your signal and then repeats your signal back to you with each repeat deteriorating. Now, I'm sure you've heard an echo before, and it's just like the pedals we use today, except for this one is literally using a tape. So what makes the Echoplex so darn special? Whether it's the EP2 like the one I have here, which is a tube preamp, or the EP3, which has been used on thousands of records, which has a solid-state preamp, it's that, the preamp. Thousands and thousands of guys have plugged into an Echoplex, plugged it into their amp, and not used the echo at all, and just used the preamp. It's known for brightening the tone, thickening it up, and you get a little bit of a boost. And it's something that is just beautiful sounding, as you can hear. The second thing that makes the Echoplex special is the obvious one, the echo. I mean, there's tons and tons of pedals that do a really great job of recreating the Echoplex and other tape echoes that have been used through the years. But there's nothing quite like plugging into this massive tape machine sitting on the floor and having it repeat your sound. It has just a little bit of magic. So is the Echoplex really a secret? Probably not. But in the wake of 1,000 pedals that are trying to recreate its sound, I feel like the unit itself probably is. And I mean, for good reason. It's big, it's bulky, it's noisy, and it's honestly kind of annoying to carry around, especially if you're playing live. But there's nothing quite like plugging into this big old tape machine on the floor and hitting your first chord, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I unlocked a couple of the secrets of the Echoplex for you. Please check out the channel, and we'll talk to y'all later.